Hi, this is Dean Odell, and welcome to Peppertree Canyon Estate.
And I'm April Odell Nugent. It's hard to believe we're in North Tustin, tucked in neighborhood on 4 acres. Where else are you gonna find this in Orange County?
I'll tell you what, you're not gonna find it, and that's exactly what I told these people when I sold it to them over a decade ago. They have put millions of dollars into this property since then, and it is unbelievable.
To see it properly, we need to take you all around. There are 3 separate structures. I'm gonna be on the inside of these structures, and Dean, I'm glad you got your sneakers on because he's taking you on a hike.
Yep, let's go. Hey, one of the great advantages of this property, other than its natural beauty and just unbelievable setting, is that there's about $100,000 to $150,000 worth of tax benefits and savings you can have yearly on this property. It does have an agricultural license, and it is also a bonded winery. We can talk more about that later. I'm gonna take you down the path to paradise, as I call it. You're gonna be amazed at what you see. And right now, we're gonna pan around so that you can see our first set of groves here. We've got our vineyards, and look at the beautiful poppies that are just grow wildly out here. It's amazing. We're gonna head back now, and we're gonna go see the olive groves, a couple of resting spots. Follow me. Okay, yet another angle looking at the property down here. See the winery in the background, the house in the foreground, and all the way to the end of the vineyards. We're looking over the olive grove, which we make the olive oil from, and we are very, very close to a nice little resting spot where you can sip on your vino. So let's keep going. Now, this is something the owners built for their grandkids. I mean, how great is this, right? It's a wonderful space, and just, it's the 4th structure on this property where realistically somebody could sleep if you wanted them to. So anyway, let's continue on. Okay, so I am about halfway down the vineyard. I am surrounded by more olive trees. And if you're wondering, how do I maintain all this? How do I take care of all this and pay for the water? Well, guess what? There's a water retention system here that they're probably not even gonna have to turn the sprinklers on this year till September. They're just pulling from their own water that they've captured. So they've done everything right here. Everything's on drip irrigation. You know, it's amazing. Hey, another advantage of owning a winery, you get to have events. And these guys host a lot of charity events here. Farm to table style, served in the vineyard. And guess what? This is where they cook everything, right outside, farm to table. Okay, to conclude this tour, I'm standing on our sport court here. Doubles as a pickleball court and a basketball court. And you can see, once you take in all this property, the value that's here. I haven't even talked about the possibility of VRBO. And we didn't even include these in the numbers, but this property rents between $2,500 a night to $4,500 a night with a 3-night minimum. So there's just more money on the table right there if you want to use the property in that capacity. So I'll tell you what, it's a house that helps pay for itself, and I haven't seen that a whole lot in my career. So now we're gonna go inside and let April show you the rest. Take it away, April.
We are here in the main house, just under 5,000 square feet. Just as magnificent as this estate is across its 4 acres, inside is just as inviting. The master's on the main level, 5 bedrooms up, plus an office nook, quality craftsmanship in every corner. When you're ready to relax, come on in to your main floor master with soaring wood-beamed ceilings, a lavish bathroom complete with steam shower, soaking tub, double vanities. You also have dual closets and a spacious walk-in closet. Plus, when you're ready for a dip, your spa and private pool are just outside. And now here we are in the heart of the home, your kitchen, which is designed for entertaining and everyday living. A massive island, limestone floors, top-of-the-line appliances, a walk-in pantry, one of my favorite parts, this amazing custom-made Dutch door, which you can walk out to your shaded patio and enjoy the magnificent grounds. Set across from your saltwater pool and vineyard is this ultra comfortable 1,000 square foot guest house. It also doubles as a pool house. Built in 2014, you have a kitchen, bar, bathroom, bedroom, and a fireplace. It feels like a 5-star resort that your guests may never want to leave. And finally, we've saved the most unique and special space for last. This is an awesome building. This is the Peppertree Canyon Winery.
You've got 3,300 square feet, glass firehouse doors that open to 30-foot ceilings in here, a ranch-style door that opens up. Back here, you've got all the wine storage, bathroom over here, a kitchen. Amazing space. You even have a projection with a drop-down screen. April, tell them what's upstairs.
Yeah, so it's not just about the winemaking and the tasting. Upstairs, there's a loft, and there's also a game room. It's a truly special structure, and it's right across from the main house.
Absolutely. So, we can't drink this olive oil that's produced here, but, and it is wonderful, but we can drink this. So, cheers, here we go. Let's try it out. They worked so hard to make this for us.
The wine is actually produced and bottled right here.
It's also been awarded silver medal.
Is that right?
And this is a bonded winery. There's a lot that goes with that. We won't get into that right now. So cheers.
Cheers to you, and to you. You're invited.